The time has come to put some tires on these shiny wheels. Let's see how it goes. Do my best to line up the dot with the valve stem. Done. One little accident. These tires are directional. The sprocket side, the direction is that way. There goes. Is that it? This one's going on easy. There we go. New tires. It's gonna look really good. What's the most important thing to do now? The most important thing to do now is wax the wheels, because they're gonna have some spots on them from the soap water. These axle adjusters from Yambits, I had to file the inside of these stamped parts so that they don't wipe out the powder coat on my swing arm. The axle has a light coat of grease on it. Big downside of powder coating the swing arm is you can barely see the marks, the adjusting marks. Here they're covered up by the thick powder coat. Now you can see if the wheel bearings spin. It spins backwards. You think it'll spin forwards also? Looks good.